there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for beautiful, nice, simple, modern decoration, I want you to check out this olive tree. This is a Nafresh tall olive tree. This is 7 feet. I really like putting it in my bedroom. It gives it a different style, and I love putting it in my living room as well. The fun thing is that the size is just perfect for you to move around constantly in any area of your home. This can also be a great gift for a home office. I really like many things about this tree. It was so wonderfully made. I like the fact that it has high quality silk leaves, and there's 4 different sizes, making it super real. I also like the color of the trunk. You're going to see that this is a light brown with a gradual color transition, making it super natural. Also, it has 3 fruit colors, a light one, a medium color, and a very light green, making the olives look very natural. This is super easy to assemble. They make it very nice and simple. You're going to see the 2 arrows. When you receive it, you are just going to attach it and get this beautiful tree. It also bends great. You can make it look way fuller by adjusting it once you have received it. This olive tree is beautiful, and I love the fact that you don't have to water it. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.